We are going to start code blocks and we are going to do a program in code blocks. So we are going to open the code block first, double clicking on the code block. After it, there comes a create a new project, open an existing project, tip of the day, visit the code. Many options are there, and we will click on create a new project. Okay, after that there is console application. You will click this C++. Next, there is the project title. So today we are going to do addition. So I will give it addition and the addition. So that's going to be the project title of our next and finish. Okay, when this comes, there is a sidebar. The management is written right over here. We are going to click below it. There is the project workplace, workspace addition, and then source. You are going to click on the source. After that, main.cpv. There would come a bar. Just looking at it, there will come a look. Hello, what is written right here? We are going to remove that. That is actually the main body of the code block or the so we are going to perform addition. So okay, now starting that, we will give it first the name, int x. I'm going to spread it, but first time I'm going to write it int z. Okay, to that cout enter enter the number for x and L. Okay, in the next line I'm going to write cn x. After that, cout enter the number for y. Okay, and L. Okay, C and Y. After that, okay, z is equal to x plus y, and one second. Okay, after that, cout we got is and L semicolon. Okay, that cout z. Okay, so that is the program that we have written here. Okay, int x means actually before writing without writing int with x, the program wouldn't be run. That will give an error warning to us. So due to that reason, the program that we have to perform, and the alphabets or the characters or the number that we have to write it, we are going to explain that. Without explaining it won't be possible. The program or the compiler would not be able to write it or compile it or read it. Okay, so int x, int y, int z. Cout basically means it's simple outside the print or to print. When cout means enter the number for x. When we click on that, this is build and this is run. When we click on the build and then run it, so there would come that enter the number. After that, cn cn is basically we are going to put the number in cn. So cn basically means that whether the number is, we are going to put that the number is going to be taken from the user, and we are the users. So cn means then cout enter the number for y. again a c and y, and the z is equal to x plus y. So okay, this means that the x and the y, the numbers that we write in that would be added, and it will be saved in the z integer, and we have explained that z is an integer. After that, see how the result we got is. And okay, then here there is this sign, but here isn't. Actually it will display it, but here the see out, that would just display the result. It wouldn't display out the z. If we write, you do it just like this, then it wouldn't display us the result. It would just display the z, but without, by removing it, it will display us the result that is obtained from the x and y integer. Okay, so after writing the program, we are going to check out whether there is any error or warning by clicking the build option. Okay, see, there is 0 error and 0 warning. Okay, after clicking the build option, then run it. So the blank page comes here. Enter the number 5, for example we are putting 3. Enter the number 5, for example we are putting 4, and see the result we got is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, sometimes the code block, there is the management place isn't there, sometimes it isn't there. So for that, don't panic, just go to the view option and click on the manager. It would come here. Okay, thank you for watching. That was the project, that was the program about addition, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.